Hey diamonds, I'm back with another quarantine tutorial wrapping up for this look. So we're gonna first start with doing the eyeliner. I'm gonna show you a simple, easy way to use the Cole Cosmetics pen and also giving yourself a cat eye. So this pencil is, well, this pen, it's like a pen that you would use every day. So what I'm doing now is I'm marking the spot. I'm looking at the tail end of my brow and I'm pointing that line towards that. So on both sides, mark the spot. Hold on, I gotta go back on this other side and fix this line. So once you mark the spot, you want to go to the end of that line and start bringing that liner down to your lash line. Now, with this technique, you can make your eyeliner as low-key as possible or as dramatic. For this look today, I wanted something to be natural. I don't want to say so natural because everybody don't have natural cat eyes, but I wanted this to be just something nice for a daytime look. So I pointed that pen toward the inner corner of my eye because wherever you point the pen, that is where the finest part of the liner will be. You always want the finest parts to be on your outer corner and your inner corner. Look at me, I think I'm all that now. Got my liner on. It's my favorite part. This liner sets pretty good, so I have to get a wet wipe real quick and wipe this off. Because if I don't, it's hard to move, and I'll show you later how good this liner is. So again, I'm staying very tight to my lash line because I don't want this eyeliner to be too dramatic. Not for today, at least. Right now, I'm just kind of getting in between any lines there. So that was quick. We're moving right on to the lips. We are using a Cole Cosmetic pen, and these are waterproof. It's a gel liner that I love to use on my lips. You see, it's hard to wipe off. So I am just lining around my lips. And when I line my lips, I like to imagine if my lipstick wears off, that my lip liner will still be pretty underneath. So I line the lips and I kind of feather around there. So if I do eat a little bit of it off, it kind of looks like ombre. Kind of feathering it in there. I have little heart lips. Just making sure that line is tight. One of the reasons you use lip liner is so your lipstick will not bleed. Now this palette I purchased from Amazon, and this is a dupe for Makeup Forever's Flash palette. And I just scoop some out with my spatula, and I'm going to use a small lip brush to help me distribute this. I was wanting that Makeup Forever Flash palette, and it was like $100 for that cream palette. And I was like, man, it has to be a dupe out. And I found two of them for like maybe under $30. Now I left my a lot of my reds at the office. I don't know if this quarantine if I'm gonna be able to get out the house, but I probably need to go back to the office and get another red. This is not my favorite red, but I do like this red. A red lip is actually one of my favorite colors to wear. So now that that's on, I wanted to add a little bit more to this. Now I'm taking my eyeshadow palette by Anastasia, the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to use a little bit of that gold shadow, and I'm going to put it on the center of my lip. This is kind of like a reverse ombre almost. Building that up. I actually love to use shadows to help ombre. Just because something says eyeshadow, or you can use makeup however you want. You need to think outside the box sometimes. You can use that same eyeshadow that I'm using to line my lips, and you can put it on your cheeks if you wanted to add a little highlighter there. So what I'm doing now is adding a little more depth to the outer corner of my lips. Now if you want to, you could have left the lip red, and red, just plain red, is good, or you could have even left it with the gold. But you know, I gotta be a little bit extra. I'm not going anywhere, but you know, I have to be extra somewhere. Whether it's me doing eyes or me doing lips, I am in love with depth and highlight. So a lot of times when you see eyeshadows that I do or lips that I do, you see me playing with darks and lights, because I just love the look of it. So ladies, I'm hoping that you all are not just watching these quarantine tutorials, but you are actually participating with me, so we can get, once we get out the door, you know, and summertime is here, because I don't know how long we're going to be locked up. I want us to actually have our makeup game on point. So show me your best lip. I want you to try this. So this will wrap up this total look. I have about 3 other videos that you can look and on my page and find those, and they should help you just with technique and placement. And I will see you on the next video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.